101, verse 1, I will sing of mercy and justice. To you, O Lord, I will sing praises. Verse 2, I will behave wisely in a perfect way. Oh, when will you come to me? I will walk within my house with a perfect heart. Verse 3, I will set nothing wicked before my eyes. I hate the work of those who fall away. It shall not cling to me. Verse 4, a perverse heart shall depart from me. I will not know wickedness. Verse 5, whoever secretly slanders his neighbor, him I will destroy. The one who has a haughty look and a proud heart, him I will not endure. Verse 6, my eyes shall be on the faithful of the land, that they may dwell with me. He who walks in a perfect way, he shall serve me. Verse 7, he who works deceit shall not dwell within my house. He who tells lies shall not continue in my presence. Verse 8, early I will destroy all the wicked of the land, that I may cut off all the adulterers from the city of the Lord. Amen.